I want to bring your attention to the quality. Like, there's a lot of AI tools out there like Runway, Clean. There's a lot of tools out there, but really SORA has been able to really show amazing quality. That's what goes viral, is movie quality stuff. And then you just start scrolling down the list, and then whatever takes your attention, you're like, wow, I want to make that for myself, right? And if you guys like something, then you want to learn what it is that they said to make it. Okay, so, and I'm always looking for something that had a lot of likes. If you know how to make a cinematic photo using the AI, you could then turn that into a cinematic video and start going viral like some of these videos here. And so I'm going to be sharing with you not only my AI prompts, so you could start, learning how to change the game in the e-commerce, but how you could start thinking about doing some of these really cool TikTok videos that got over 1 million views with these cats or a tornado. And these are all AI generated, friends, and this is amazing. Like, you don't even have to show your face. And that's the power of what I have found here and what we could start using. And this is our creativity. So I want you to imagine if we were just on the cutting edge of dropshipping. Like, if we just found out about dropshipping. I think this is so much fun, because if you can get something really taken off, friends, all you did was just took a few minutes of your day and did some inspiration, and nobody has to see your face. Like, I don't mind showing my face. I'm a coach. I love coaching people, but I love food, right? I've talked about food a few times here today, but look at this right here. I could literally take this same salmon idea and then do exactly the same thing and make my own, friends, just by looking at the creativity here and being inspired. I'm going to go back over here to SORA, and all you got to do is look at over here on the top. I look at what's trending, and I just start going down here and I look at what's trending. And if it's a really cool video, like look at this video right here of this shark walking. Like, that is so funny, right? And if there's something really cool that you guys want to do, you could actually make it your own and create your own version. So I'll give you an example. If I click on this shark right here, I could actually make my own version of this right here. So this is what the person before me did. They said a two-legged shark walks from left to right on a still camera full body. So if I want to do this on my own, I could say, yes, I want to do a 2.3 size, I want to do a 9/16 size, I want to do a 720p, and you could then say this is what you want, and then you can make your own exact video. We can make a photo and then make a video, and then we can just download it and then start sharing it over here to TikTok and start seeing which videos are gonna get us the most likes right here, friends. Mark Cuban said the younger generation every day should just study the AI and try to get better at it every day, because it's going to help you guys in so many different areas of your life. And today I'm gonna give you guys an awesome training. And if you guys don't know me, my name is Coach Scott. I've been doing drop shipping now for the last 10 years. And I got access to using the AI about a year ago. And I was telling friends about it. I was telling, everyone about it, but they didn't really believe me. But now it's gotten so much crazier and easier to use to make videos, make photos, logos for your store, and even find you winning products. And I'm gonna do the whole shebang today.